Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Kartika Eklesia Tabalian from 4A English Education Study Program, Universitas Pakuan. Today, I would like to explain about different types of tests in education, especially 5 types of tests that are commonly used. In education, tests are very important because they help teachers measure students' ability and progress. However, not all tests are the same. Each test has a different purpose, and for these presentations, I will explain 5 types of tests. For the first achievement test, the second proficiency test, the third placement test, and the fourth diagnostic test, and the last aptitude test. For the first achievement test is used to measure what students have learned after studying in a specific material. And this test is usually based on the curriculum and given after the learning process. For example, final exams and midterm tests. They are included as achievement tests. So this test shows how well students understand the lessons. And the second, proficiency test. The proficiency test is used to measure someone's overall ability in a subject, especially language, without focusing on specific lessons. It tests general skill like reading, writing, listening, and speaking. For the example of proficiency test are TOEFL and IELTS. So this test shows how good someone is in general, not what they just learned. And the third, placement test. Placement test is used to place students in the right level before they start a course. This helps teachers decide whether students should be in beginner, intermediate, or advanced level. For example, when we join an English course, we usually take a placement test first. So this test helps students learn at the right level. For the fourth test, diagnostic test. The diagnostic test is used to identify students' strengths and weaknesses. It helps teachers understand what students already know and what they still need to improve. For example, a grammar test to find out which part students don't understand. So this test is useful for improving learning. And the last is aptitude test. Aptitude test is used to measure a person's potential ability and predict future performance. It is not based on what students have learned before, and the example is include IQ test and talent test. So these tests show what someone might be able to do in the future. And to conclude, there are different types of tests with different purposes. Achievement test measures learning result. Proficiency test measures general ability. Placement test decides level, and diagnostic test finds strengths and weaknesses, and the aptitude test predicts the potential. All of these tests are important to support effective learning. Thank you for attention. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.